Hello and welcome. You are learning AWS RDS. And in this video, we are going to talk about all the options that we are getting while we are creating our RDS database. We already created one RDS database, so we are now aware about how we can create RDS and how we can access this. But what about options that we are getting while we are creating this database? We are going to discuss about all of them step by step. So let's start. Hello and welcome. I hope you are enjoying our AWS series. We have a big plan to add Azure series, even videos for each and every DevOps technologies. But for this, we want some support from you guys. You can support us by only doing two things. First, subscribe to this channel. And yes, only subscribe to this channel if you are thinking that these videos is actually giving you some values. It will help you to pass any AWS exam like AWS Cloud Practitioner, Solution Architect Associate, or even Solution Architect Professional. Second thing is, share these videos with other IT professionals. Learning process is actually not expensive. If you are getting better or proper instructor or a mentor, it will really help you to develop your skill. If you are thinking that we are providing you a proper right path to improve your skill, your friends also deserve this, right? And for this, you have to share this channel videos with them. So I am just requesting you to do these two tasks for me. One, subscribe to our channel and share with other IT professionals. Thank you. Now you can continue your video. Now here, I am going to show you which option we are getting first and we are going to discuss about it. So here, I am inside my AWS console, going to RDS. Here, I don't have any database, so I'm going to click on Create Database. Now here, the first two options that we are getting is related to Aurora. Aurora is AWS own database engine. We are not going to discuss about this because we have special videos for this, so don't worry about it. Right now, we are going to talk about all this other database engine. So what I'm doing, I'm going to select MySQL database right now. And here, we have availability and durability options. We have mainly three options: single DB instance, multi-AZ DB instance, and multi-AZ DB cluster. Now, which option will be best suitable for your organization? It's totally depend on the organization's requirement. Here, there is huge price differences as well. So, what we are doing, I'm going to explain you single DB instance first. Then we will discuss about multi-AZ DB instance in next video. Then we will talk about multi-AZ DB instance cluster. And then we will compare them, right? So at the end, you will find best suitable option for your organization. Because when you are going to choose this particular option, it is directly affecting company's budget. When we are creating DB instance, we have to pay recurring amount. We are paying amount every month. Now in this case, saving money for your organization will be primary goal as well. So what we are doing, we are going to start with a single DB instance first. Introduction. A single DB instance in AWS RDS refers to a standalone database instance running in a single availability zone without standby replicas or automatic failover. Your company's primary goal is to save money. They don't have any problem with downtime because they have non-critical application. They're saying that, okay, if my application is down because of database problem, we can tolerate this. In this case, you can choose this. When you are going to use single DB instance, when you are going to select this single DB instance, it will create database DB instance into any one of availability zone. Now, if there will be problem in database or if this availability zone goes down, it will directly affect your application. Yeah, one of the advantage that we can say, it is having lower cost compared to multi-AZ deployments, as there is no standby instance or no extra resources are required. It is just creating a single database instance in any one availability zone. So we are not going to pay any extra amount of money, but yes, there is a compromise with high availability. Now, here I'm not going to explain you any advantages, but yes, I'm going to explain you drawbacks. Now, these drawbacks will be very useful because it will help you to understand what is multi-AZ instance, okay? So here we have mainly 3 drawbacks of single DB instance. The first, no automatic failover. Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.